Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys what is in my pink Teddy Blake handbag. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, you guys might know I love using this handbag during February, especially with my 45 days of pink challenge going on. It is seriously such a stunning bag. I love it. It's got a crossbody, it's got the little handles. It is just absolutely beautiful. I will have Teddy Blake linked down below in case you guys want to check them out. But I love this handbag. It's so perfect, pink. I would love to hear from you guys. Ask the question of the day down below in the comments down below. What color is your handbag? Let me know. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. But we're gonna get into what's in my purse. I love watching these videos on YouTube. I recently have gone down the rabbit hole of these videos on TikTok. Be sure to check me out over on TikTok. It's just at Kelly_Prepster. But we're gonna get started. So this is what the bag looks like. It's got the little short handles. It's seriously so pretty. It's kind of like a nice soft leather. It's got the little Teddy Blake logo right here. It's very subtle, which I really like. And then it has the most beautiful gold hardware. This strap can come on and off, and then it has these two pockets right here, and then it's just kind of big and open. You can button them closed, which is really cool, and then it's just kind of a hot mess in there. But I love these videos. So the first thing is my cell phone. I currently just have on this pink case that is from Target. I'm getting a loopy case in the mail soon, so I'm super excited. And then I just made this little phone charm recently, and it just has a bunch of beads, and it says Kelster. I love it. It's so easy to make. There's tons of DIYs on YouTube, so definitely check it out. I will link the one that I watched down below. But seriously, it makes me so happy whenever I'm on my phone. Of course, I have my keys. I have this really cool lanyard that I put on here from Vineyard Vines. It's got like the little whale right here, if it's focusing, but I love that it's like patchwork. I try to keep it all happy and bright and colorful, and then I just have my little Dooney and Burke key fob on here with my car keys and everything. But I love all the bright colors. I saw this thing on Instagram yesterday, and it's like, I'm done wearing neutrals for winter. I'm only wearing bright colors. And I was like, I feel that. Then, of course, I have some Tic Tacs in here. These are honestly like my weakness. I love these so much. I like the orange ones, so if you guys like Tic Tacs, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Then I have my disposable Kodak camera. These are seriously so much fun to bring around to capture memories. I can't wait to get these developed. Along with that, this is kind of funny. I keep some snacks and stuff in here. So I have a pack of Welch's fruit snacks. I think these are super helpful in case you're ever out and just need a little pick-me-up. I like these so good. I also like the pink version. That's like the berry one. Then I keep some extra gum in my purse. I think this one is the Winter Fresh, so it's just kind of minty. And then I recently got on the Liquid IV obsession. I love this stuff. I take it every single day. I like to carry one in my purse in case I ever like forget to take it or just kind of want something different besides water. So it's nice to have. This is the hydration like wellness one, and it's in tangerine. It reminds me of those like vitamin C little orange and the little like blue mix-ins for your drink. Then of course I have my wallet, which is so funny because it's like a little purse inside of a big purse. But I got this when I was in London a few years ago, and I love it. So it just keeps all of my cards, and I put cash in the back. It's so nice because if I'm on the go or going to the gym, I'll just put this in my gym bag or just bring this in my phone with me instead of carrying my whole bag. But I like it because it fits everything that I need in it. Then I have my Lily Pulitzer scrunchie. This one is currently my favorite. It is like a quilted Lily scrunchie. I have these on my Etsy, so be sure to check it out. It's linked down below, but they're so fun to put in your hair with like a big messy bun. I've been doing that a lot lately. And then I also keep a claw clip in my purse. I use these almost as much as scrunchies. They're just nice because they're both different looks. And then I have two lipsticks in here. This one I feel like I share all the time. It's my favorite like red gloss. It's so pretty, you guys. Jill Stewart, and I love her packaging on here because it's got like the little lipstick application mirror in case you guys are out on the go. So pretty. And then I have a lip balm from Pixi, and this is in the shade Peach Pout. And it's just like a nice balm to put on, especially with it being winter. We just got hit with a huge snowstorm, and like just being outside for like 5 minutes, my hands are all chapped. I'm like, I'm staying inside. But if that storm hits you, let me know in the comments down below because we are like snowed in. And then the last thing in my purse, well, actually I have three more things, are my AirPods, and this is the case that I have it in. It's like a baby pink case. I want to put like a little monogram on here. I feel like that'd be so cute, but I love my AirPods. And then I have 2 face masks. This one is this Lily Pulitzer mask. Absolutely love it. It's such a fun print, and I love all the pink, especially for my 45 Days of Pink challenge. And then I just have a navy one in here. This is from Duffield Lane. Super random, but this is so soft. The softest mask I own, and I love it. I love that it's navy, it's solid, it goes with everything. But that is everything that I keep in my purse. If you guys like these what's in my purse videos, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Again, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. And as the question of the day for the comments down below, what color is your purse? So let me know. I would love to chit chat with you guys all about it. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Again, all of my socials are linked down below, and I will be sure to link the phone charm video because like this was so much fun. And I feel like you could really make it however you want. I just love it. Oh my goodness. And my Etsy's linked down below, so be sure to check it all out. And I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.